Hey everybody, all you Ryoby fans out there. Well, I just bought this at the local Home Depot just a while ago. Actually, this is the third one that I get. The first one that I got was the smaller version, but it was with the one that had the slide bar. After using it a couple of times, I noticed that the slide bar it was cutting crooked. So from this point to this point, when you slide it back, it was like probably like an eighth of an inch off. you know. So I took it back. Um, before I did that, I had called the 800 number because I thought the warranty was off on it, and the guy says there's a place here in Corpus that I could return it to, and or take it over there and they'll fix it. Everything was good. The blade was good. It didn't have a laser on it. It had LED light, not a laser. Um, so I called over there, and the guy said that they couldn't do anything about it. I would have to return it. So I called the local Home Depot, which is a couple of blocks down from my house, and I told them the problem, and they said go ahead and bring it back. Luckily, I found a receipt, and I had it like a week left before I could return it. So I got one just like this, identical. And I noticed that the back fencing of it, the fence part was crooked, you know. And I even put it on my workbench, and it was this side right here, or this area, was a gap on it. I was cutting some 2x2s, and I noticed that there's a gap in between, and this around this area. So I took the fence off and I put it on my workbench, and as you can see, this is a new one, so there's no gap. Let me see, I'll get in there. There's no gap, but the other one had a gap on it. So I took it back and got this new one. The only thing I don't like about it is that it comes with this. This is this goes here. It's the clamp. Most clamps that I've had, on other tools, it's up here on top, and it holds your board down. This is on the side. I'm not a big fan of it. I mean, if you don't like it, let me know. That's why I know I'm not alone on it. But I've used the other one. The other one was the same thing, and I've held a couple of two by twos, but one side's heavy, so when you're cutting, and if it's not real tight, it's gonna pop up. This is this part right here. This one. The other one's it's down, so it holds the board down. I'm not a real big fan of that, and I think Ryoby's doing something different, or they want to be different or something. I don't know. But yeah, so far everything is good on this. Everything's straight. Blade is straight. I just took it out of the box. As you can see, the box is right there. And let me know if you have any other issues with Ryoby that we could share. Thanks.